always look so perfect, I can't help myself. Cancel all my plans to get you by yourself. Doesn't even matter, cause you make me feel better. I don't wanna hang with anybody else. Want you, those clothes, yeah, you already know. You're my medication, you're my medication.
So y'all, I want to check my mailbox and my necklace came in. I'm so excited. It's the necklace by Getnamenecklace. Comes with this little thing you could clean your necklace off with. Little coupon code here and caring for your sterling jewelry. So this is it right here. Hopefully they got the name right. This is my necklace. I'm gonna take this off. It comes in this little plastic thing here to kind of keep it safe, but I'm probably never gonna take this off ever because it feels so, it does not feel cheap. This doesn't feel cheap like this. So yeah, there it is, you guys. There it is. It says Meek. Hopefully I don't break nothing, because these nails here would have gotten Sean put this on for me, because did I get it? Oh, I got it. Oh, it's pretty. Oh my gosh. Do not spray perfume or other sprays while wearing your gold-plated jewelry. Wait until your lotion or cream is dry or has been absorbed by your skin before you wear your gold-plated ring, bracelet, or necklace. Substances like oil, nail polish remover, chlorine, perfume may react with the metal plated jewelry and will cause it to tarnish easily. What? After use, clean your plated jewelry with an anti-tarnish cloth, which we offer. This is the anti-tarnish cloth. If your jewelry needs more cleaning, you may clean it with warm soapy water to avoid scratches. Wrap your jewelry in a jewelry box separate from other types of jewelry you have. So that's the gold-plated instructions. But I am gonna go on the website.
Alright guys, so this is the exact necklace that I tried from Getnamenecklace.com. It is the personalized classic name necklace in the 18K gold plated. Okay, you can basically choose one name, word, or initial. You can choose whatever. You just type it in the bar at the bottom and you get to choose the chain length, okay, which is pretty cool. It is $26.99, but you get a deal, of course, if you use my discount code. You will see the discount code in the corner of the screen or in the description box. All information will be in the description box. Okay, a little bit about the necklace. It is a double hook. The hook is a double hook. The chain type is a cable chain. The material is 18K gold plated silver. So I just think that's pretty nice. You guys have to go check out the rest of their website, Getnamenecklace.com. They have lots more you can choose from, not just necklaces. They have rings, bracelets, monogram necklaces. But you already know, I am heavily obsessed with necklaces. You'll see me wear necklaces all the time in my videos. And I'm just super hyped to actually get one that's like customized, like that has my name, my nickname on it. So let's go look at some more necklaces that they have on the Getnamenecklace.com website. Okay, so here's more of different type of necklaces that you could actually choose from. They have them in different fonts, different colors. They have, oh, this one is actually cute. This is the one I wanted to try with the crown on it. Yeah, I love gold jewelry. It just looks good against my skin. But yeah, these different fonts, like, I'm just crazy about. Like, yeah, y'all have to go check that out for sure. Just dig through the website and see what fits you. Yeah, this website is always running great discounts, and the customer service is like unbelievable. And worldwide shipping, that you can't top that, you guys. That is unbelievable. When I say I was really expecting this necklace to be like cheap feeling, it is not at all. It actually feels like it should cost more than what it does, but it is very affordable and inexpensive. I'm super hype about that.
In the previous clip, you did see me unbox this necklace. I showed you exactly what it looks like. I got it out of the mailbox and out of the packaging. So this is a necklace on me. It says Meek, M-E-E-K. That's my nickname there. So for me, shipping did take exactly 11 days. All right guys, thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are interested in this piece, like I said, do find the link in the description box. There is also a discount code just for you. Check that out for me, please. If you're not subscribed to this channel, I'm gonna need you to do so. Thumbs up this video for me, please. That always helps. Thanks so much to my supporters. I see you guys in the next video. Bye.